A simple test can detect the presence or the absence of cervical cancer. Scientists have found that using the heat profile from a person's blood called plasma thermogram can indicate the presence or the absence of cervical cancer and also predict the stage of the disease. Researchers at the University of Louisville, led by Nicola Garbett, demonstrated that the plasma thermogram profile varies when a person has or does not have the cervical cancer. To generate a plasma thermogram, a blood plasma sample is melted, producing a unique signature indicating a person's health status. This signature represents the major proteins in plasma measured by differential scanning calorimetry (DSC). Researchers believe that the molecule associated with the presence of the disease, called biomarkers, can affect the thermogram of someone with cervical cancer. They used mass spectrometry, which is an analytical tool to show that biomarkers associated with cervical cancer existed in the plasma. Mr. Garbett said the key is not the actual melting temperature of the thermogram, but the shape of the heat profile. He also said, we have not been able to establish thermograms for a number of diseases. Comparing blood samples of patients who are being screened or treated against those thermograms should be enable us to better monitor patients as they are undergoing treatment and follow-up. So, if this research is correct, we can detect the presence or the absence of cervical cancer with the simple DSC test, differential scanning calorimetry, which analyzes the plasma profile of a person to detect the cervical cancer, which is a deadly disease.